the new 911 Cabriolet. Naturally, the Cabriolet comes with all the innovations of the coupe on board. A new 6-cylinder twin-turbo engine in the S models with 450 horsepower and a top speed above 300 kilometers per hour. The new 911 takes just 3.6 seconds to sprint from 0 to 100. On top of this, we fine-tuned the Cabriolet with very specific further developments. Thanks to a new drive mechanism, the soft top opens and closes now in just 12 seconds, 2 seconds faster than its predecessor. And it does it so at speeds up to 50 kilometers per hour. The soft top integrates a rear window made from glass. The structure of the cover is made mainly from magnesium. And these flat elements prevent the roof filling up with air at higher speeds. As always, the high-tech roof was developed in-house at Porsche. We are one of the very few companies that are still developing roof covers ourselves. Why? Because the Cabriolet is and always was very special for us. Already the first Porsche was an open version. Very Porsche's Roadster with a mid-mounted engine, our number one came with 2 seats under the open sky. Our convertibles have had their regular place for almost 30 years in the 911 model range. Today, almost every third 911 we sell is a Cabriolet or a Targa. Driving with an open top and feeling the wind. This sense of freedom is simply a perfect match to our brand. And now, ladies and gentlemen, that is all but a reason why cabriolets continue to hold a permanent place in our product strategy.